XPeng Motors is at the forefront of urban air mobility innovation, introducing groundbreaking solutions that blend cutting-edge technology with sustainability. Among their latest achievements is the XPeng Aerote, an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to redefine low-altitude mobility. Their remarkable land aircraft carrier seamlessly integrates a six-wheeled van with a two-person drone, offering a modular flying car solution. The drone can be stored in the van's cargo area and deployed for flight, enabling a versatile and futuristic mode of transportation. With a range of 1,000 kilometers and advanced guidance software, this innovation ensures user-friendly operation, requiring only 5 minutes of learning and 3 hours of mastery. XPeng Aerote is designed to address the challenges of urban transportation by providing an efficient and eco-friendly alternative. It represents a bold step toward revolutionizing mobility, merging advanced engineering with sustainable practices to create a transformative travel experience. This pioneering approach by XPeng Motors is paving the way for a future where urban air travel becomes an integral part of everyday life, blending convenience, innovation, and environmental consciousness. Air Nostrum, the regional airline, has announced a major step forward in its sustainability efforts by doubling its order for the Airlander 10 airship, increasing its commitment from 10 to 20 aircraft. This decision reflects the airline's dedication to significantly reducing carbon emissions and advancing eco-friendly transportation solutions. The Airlander 10, developed by Hybrid Air Vehicles, represents a groundbreaking approach to regional aviation with its focus on environmental sustainability. Designed to offer an energy-efficient alternative for short-haul routes, the airship combines innovative technology with a commitment to greener air travel. The newly ordered fleet is set to enter service by 2027 and will be operated through Air Nostrum's subsidiary, Malair, based in Malta. This investment highlights Air Nostrum's forward-thinking approach to the future of aviation, showcasing their commitment to addressing environmental challenges while continuing to provide reliable and efficient service. By embracing cutting-edge technologies like the Airlander 10, Air Nostrum is positioning itself as a leader in sustainable aviation, setting an example for the industry in balancing innovation with environmental responsibility. This bold move not only underscores their vision for a greener future, but also paves the way for transformative changes in regional air travel. Air battery energy storage introduces an innovative solution by utilizing compressed air to store energy, which is then efficiently converted into electricity using a patented process. This groundbreaking technology offers a highly effective and cost-efficient energy storage system while prioritizing environmental sustainability. What truly distinguishes Air Battery is its exceptional safety features. Unlike traditional batteries, its compressed air technology eliminates the risks associated with battery fires or explosions, making it a far safer alternative for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. The robust and durable design of Air Battery not only ensures a longer lifespan, but also significantly reduces waste, further minimizing its environmental footprint. Its compact and modular structure allows for remarkable scalability, making it adaptable to a wide range of needs, from powering small homes to supporting large-scale industrial operations. With this advanced and reliable technology, Air Battery represents a transformative step in the energy sector, providing a sustainable and secure storage solution that is readily available today. It is paving the way for a cleaner and smarter future, redefining energy storage with its eco-friendly approach and versatile design. The Dassault Falcon 10X is set to redefine the world of luxury business aviation with its exceptional design and unmatched comfort. As the largest cabin in its class, this state-of-the-art jet offers ultimate flexibility for up to 19 passengers. Boasting a range of 7,500 nautical miles and a top speed of Mach 0.925, the Falcon 10X can fly non-stop from New York to Shanghai or Los Angeles to Sydney, making it ideal for long-haul, high-end travel. The jet is equipped with advanced technologies like the Falcon Eye Combined Vision System, which enhances visibility and safety, and is powered by Rolls-Royce Pearl 10X engines, ensuring a smooth, efficient, and luxurious flight experience. Set to enter service in 2025, the Falcon 10X promises to be the epitome of luxury, performance, and innovation, offering business travelers an unparalleled flying experience. With its cutting-edge features and high-end capabilities, the Falcon 10X represents the future of business aviation, combining advanced engineering with luxurious comfort for the most discerning passengers. Whether for long-distance flights or seamless travel, it sets a new standard in private jet travel, delivering excellence in every aspect of performance and design. The AW609 is a revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft that blends the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane. Originally developed by Bell Helicopter and AgustaWestland, it is now under the purview of Leonardo SPA. This innovative aircraft is engineered for a variety of applications, including VIP transport, offshore operations, and medical services, making it a versatile solution for modern air mobility needs. Powered by twin Pratt & Whitney PT6C67A engines, the AW609 can cruise at an impressive altitude of 25,000 feet and achieve speeds nearly double those of traditional helicopters. This performance, coupled with its ability to meet stringent FAA standards, positions the AW609 as a groundbreaking advancement in aviation. Key features such as single-engine operation and auto-rotation enhance safety and reliability, making it a viable option for both urban and commercial air transport. Designed to address the evolving demands of air mobility, the AW609 exemplifies innovation by offering the agility of a helicopter alongside the efficiency and speed of an airplane. It represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology, providing solutions that cater to diverse operational scenarios with unmatched efficiency and versatility. Supersonic travel is poised to make a grand return nearly 2 decades after the Concorde's retirement, with new aircraft set to revolutionize air travel by 2029. Leading this resurgence is Boom Supersonic, whose Overture jet promises speeds of Mach 1.7, cutting travel times dramatically. For example, a journey from London to New York could be completed in just 3.5 hours, offering unprecedented convenience for long-haul travelers. Unlike their predecessors, these next-generation supersonic jets prioritize sustainability alongside speed. Designed to operate on eco-friendly fuels, these aircraft aim to achieve net zero carbon emissions, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. With commitments from major airlines like American Airlines and United Airlines, the future of supersonic travel is not only fast, but also environmentally conscious. This new era of aviation is set to redefine high-speed travel, making it both accessible and sustainable. The combination of cutting-edge technology, reduced environmental impact, and exceptional performance positions these supersonic aircraft as a transformative force in the aviation industry. As the countdown to 2029 continues, the world eagerly anticipates the return of supersonic travel, ushering in a future where speed and sustainability go hand in hand. The GoVY Airjet is a revolutionary electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to revolutionize low-altitude urban mobility. This cutting-edge vehicle combines the efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft with the flexibility of multi-rotor systems, offering a unique and versatile solution for modern transportation. Capable of reaching speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour and with a range of 200 kilometers, the Airjet promises efficient, rapid travel for urban and intercity commutes. Additionally, it features a fast recharge time of just 30 minutes, enhancing convenience for frequent users. Inside, the Govee Airjet offers a luxurious cabin designed for comfort with a unique 1+1+X seating layout and panoramic windows, ensuring an elevated travel experience. Safety is a top priority, with advanced systems such as redundant power and control mechanisms ensuring the highest standards of reliability and security. Govee plans to begin commercial operations by 2025, positioning the Airjet as a transformative solution for urban mobility. With its blend of innovation, luxury, and efficiency, the Govee Airjet is set to redefine how we approach air travel, offering a forward-thinking, eco-friendly alternative to traditional transportation methods. The Quintessenza, a visionary concept car from AEL Design, redefines automotive innovation by merging the thrilling performance of a grand tourer with the practicality of a pickup truck. This avant-garde creation is designed with a human-centric philosophy, seamlessly integrating cutting-edge technology with a deep connection to the natural world. With sporty seating for four, the Quintessenza offers an elevated travel experience. Its rear seats can rotate 180 degrees, allowing passengers to enjoy panoramic views, perfect for activities such as stargazing. Unique features include an electric tailgate, illuminated logos, and a smartphone-based interface that allows drivers to switch between various driving modes effortlessly. The Quintessenza exemplifies AEL Design's dedication to blending style, functionality, and user experience. By harmonizing advanced engineering with thoughtful design elements, the Quintessenza stands as a bold statement of what the future of automobiles can offer: luxury, utility, and a seamless connection between technology and the human experience. The SkyTrain is an innovative elevated transportation system designed to tackle urban congestion and provide rapid, eco-friendly transit solutions. Operating on elevated tracks or monorails, SkyTrains minimize the need for extensive ground infrastructure, thereby reducing disruptions to existing road networks. This design approach not only optimizes urban space, but also ensures smoother integration within bustling city environments. Powered by electricity, SkyTrains represent a greener alternative to traditional public transportation, contributing significantly to the reduction of urban carbon footprints. These systems are engineered to deliver quick and efficient travel across densely populated areas, offering a reliable option for commuters. Additionally, their seamless integration with other modes of public transit enhances the overall commuting experience, making city travel more convenient and interconnected. Innovations in SkyTrain technology are reshaping the future of urban mobility, emphasizing sustainability and efficiency. By addressing the challenges of modern urbanization, SkyTrains pave the way for futuristic transportation solutions that prioritize environmental responsibility and commuter convenience, signaling a transformative step in sustainable city planning. The V.MO eVTOL, known as the Flying Tiger, is a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) passenger drone unveiled in July 2022. Designed for urban air mobility, this luxury X-wing configured drone is equipped with 8 rotors for vertical lift and 2 propellers for horizontal flight. It can carry up to 4 passengers and their luggage, making it a practical yet stylish option for urban transportation. With a flight range of 200 kilometers and a 60-minute flight time, the Flying Tiger targets tech-savvy, high-end customers seeking a premium, efficient, and futuristic mode of travel. The V.MO eVTOL is designed to transform urban transportation by providing a fast, eco-friendly alternative to traditional vehicles. Extensive flight tests are planned to fine-tune the aircraft's design and ensure the highest safety standards. With commercial operations expected to launch soon, the V.MO eVTOL promises to revolutionize the way we think about air travel, offering a seamless blend of innovation, luxury, and sustainability in urban mobility solutions.